everyone. Welcome to KPF New York. I'm Sherelle Liu. I'm part of the design technology team. I work with applied technology and visualization. Follow me. This is the reception area of the office. Here we have 3 prints of the cities that we work in. Over here you'll see Manhattan, New York. Here's London. Down here Shanghai. Here's Hong Kong. The models we have here, you may recognize this, is the CITIC Tower in Beijing, the World Financial Center in Shanghai, the China Resources Tower in Shenzhen, International Commerce Center in Hong Kong, and the Lotte Tower in Seoul. Ollie, hi. Wow.
Ollie, say hi to the people.
You're catching us in the middle of Architect Network tour. We just finished touring KPF. We've been here at Tech Week as well.
Yes, indeed. And yesterday we had the Pecha
Kucha, tour of Big New York.
Ollie.
Yeah, we've been around, but now we're off back to London.
Yeah.
Safe travels.
Daniel, good to see you in person and to the audience. We'll see you on the next AI Pecha Kucha in London.
Yeah.
Which will be coming up soon.
Looking forward to it.
Awesome. See ya.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Follow me. So next up we have the 3D model. Out here on display are samples and tests that we have been printing and also manufacturing through subtractive methods. So here are some of our CNC production, the vacuum forming. These are some modular prints from one of our designs. Here on display are the colors that we have. I was personally involved with this over here, which was trying to achieve a gradient print through a single print session using only 2 spools. And this was applied to the One Island Drive project in Brickell Key, Miami.
Cool.
Here is our agenda for KPF Tech Week. So we're in the middle of Tech Week, which is an internal conference at KPF, bringing together experts from the AEC, design and technology field.
Awesome.
Now over here, we're in the middle of some vendor booths, displays. All week we've had guests over to showcase some of their skills and technologies and how they're shaping up our workshop. Projects. Livestream. That's working on sketch development. They came up with their
Yeah.
No, I was just thinking if you develop what you guys did when really?
Oh, and if you have this tower, that is the blueprint of the One Island Drive project using the gradient print method that we saw.
Oh, cool.
This is kind of a lounge space.
Yeah.
Let's make our way over there.
Awesome.
This is the Bryant Park conference room. Town halls, meetings. And now this brings us back to the VR zone, where we have vendors in VR showcasing their technologies. From Mario, Twin Motion Epic, to VR.
Somebody recognized Evolve Labs.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, and chaos. We're doing a live stream.
You can see it.
Nobody wants to choose Okay, don't worry. No.
Cool.
I don't know if you remember that tower from earlier. There was a smaller scale one. If you want to decide, and this was the initial design for the financial center.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It's a cool model. It's getting love from people. Yeah.
What are people saying?
No, they're just giving it love. Like, let's see. I guess people love the models, right? Okay, cool. People like the models. Is there more models that we can show them? Should we? Yeah. Oh yeah, this one. That's the one that they built here, right?
Yeah. I'll give them a jump.
Cool. Awesome. All right, what can we go to next?
But if you want to see more models, I can show you.
Yeah. People like the models.
People like the models?
Yeah, right.
Oh, after this, I have more models.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, he told me. Even while we were here, I was messaging Ben. I was like, let's do network.
Oh, this one's
Let's get it
beautiful.
going. Let's get it going.
What is
Yeah,
this?
so we have it for Q3 of this year.
Somewhere closer. Although I don't have to double check.
This one's wild. Is it supposed to be like that? Like that skinny and like, wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And this is a cross section?
Yeah. Yeah.
And where is this one supposed to be?
This one, I'm gonna
That was cool though.
I have more models that I will
Oh, yeah.
where they're from. Right?
Okay, cool.
Let's go
Let's
over
go.
there next to a wall.
Right in that. Yeah.
It's the one island drive model.
Yeah.
And then over to our right.
Go ahead.
Okay, over
Yeah,
to
yeah.
our right over here is the Hudson Yards model.
Oh, yeah.
That's the crown of the China Resources Tower in Shenzhen. If you can look here, there's a good shot.
Oh, that is cool.
When I was working in the Hong Kong office for KPF, there was a chance to visit that tower, like the very top of it, and it's almost cathedral-like.
Where is that located?
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen. Oh, cool. They give hearts and fire to the models. Yeah. That's cool though. I mean, models are always like fun to look at, right?
How many of you have been to the observation deck?
Let me see.
It has a whole bunch of settings.
It's Hudson Yards, right?
Place views on sheets. Default. So you can create sheets or you can select existing sheets.
So,
You can actually create a render go. Select your views. And you can use these filters. So if I wanted to get any views that are any parameters. I might type them. Yes. I'm only working on certain parts. And then settings.
oh, that's cool.
This one, we have like a little.
Did you work on this, Cheryl? No.
I wish I did. I was here though when it was being worked on.
Yeah, there was when I had done the A visit in school, they gave us like a tour. This guy, Andrew, he was a computational designer, I think here. You know Andrew? What's his last name? But he was friends with like some of the guys that were there yesterday. And he used to be a computational designer here, and I think he went to Big after. No, he wasn't there. Yeah, Haas, I think, yeah. Yeah.
I recognize the name.
And he gave us a tour of Hudson Yards, because I guess he was like working on it. Or he was part of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, him.
Okay. Yeah, I probably did not overlap.
Yeah. It was cool though. Alright, where to next? More models.
Do you want to say anything to them?
Yeah, I'm just saying like what people are saying, but if we can show. Oh, what about this? Can we see how this works? Hey,
Hi.
can we see how this works?
We're doing
What?
a live stream right now.
Snaptrude. What does this do? Or what is the software about?
It's a design tool which is on the cloud.
Yeah.
Imagine if Revit could work as seamlessly and as easily as Rhino and SketchUp does,
Yeah.
but right on a browser and collaborative like Google Docs. So multiple people are just chatting through the design tool quick. That's what it does.
Okay.
And it's I'll probably walk you through how seamless it is to just like sketch things around.
Sure.
Oh, just to interject briefly, this is Altaf, the founder and CEO of Snapchat.
Okay, cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. So you can start doing, the square footage is available right over there. You can start modifying things. Maybe changes, edits, 2D. Terrace, import, site context.
And this is all modeled on the web browser, right?
All on the web. And the entire
Oh,
is here.
okay,
And you
cool.
can start looking at what does the sun part diagram look like.
Yeah.
Just start simulating the shadows. And when you're reasonably confident about the design, you can still continue to like make changes. Like I wanna split it still like this, split it still like this. Look at the square footage, and the charts, by room type. You can see what the square footages look like across every floor, every zone, going 3D. And when it's time to do a detailed model, you can just like choose like external to be glass curtain, internal to be wood, and it will convert it into a BIM model in a matter of like few seconds, as you can see. Internal, external, all the walls are clear. And all of these are like parametric. You can change the wall types, you can change the floor heights, and stuff like that. Maybe the 10th floor is 15. Start adding doors.
Cool. So it's like BIM on the web browser. Yeah.
When you're happy, just export it to Revit directly.
Oh,
You can
nice.
just take the Revit file out, RBT and a bunch of other file formats.
Yeah.
And when you are in Revit and you want to make some changes, you can import it directly from Revit to Snap with all the details. And you can start editing this model.
So you can import a model from Revit into this and then
Yes.
edit it inside of this.
And edit it inside of Snap. So you can actually make changes to the walls, add doors to it, change the parameters, look at the walls,
Yeah.
change the wall assemblies. Every wall family from Revit is loaded. Start adding furniture and detail it out. And even look at things like how is the costing changing, what does the change log look like, what does the square footage look like by floors. And whenever you're ready with collaborating, just share it with your team. As easy as like Google Docs.
And people can just hop in onto the same model at the same time.
Yes, and
Can you comment on it? Like, can you add comments? Oh, cool. So it is like Google Docs.
change this wall.
Yeah.
And I'll get a notification on my other machine. You can resolve it, do attachments, react to it, stuff like that.
Oh, fascinating. Cool.
So this is just a brief intro about what Snapchat is. You can do a lot of details right within the platform itself. Furniture layout.
Very cool. Awesome. And what was your name?
Alta.
Altaf. And the name of your software is called?
Snap True. Snap and Extrude. That's how it is.
Yeah. Okay. And here's the title. So if anybody wants to check it out, is it available? Like you can actually.
You can just go to our website
Yeah.
and request for access.
Okay. Cool. All right. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Okay. With Evolve Labs? Yeah, look, we can do that because they're kind of like already popular, I guess, on like the AEC circles, right?
That's true. That's true. I was trying to think about one of them.
I know. Yeah. You can see feedback outside.
If you give it just a massive model, it might like make it one story, or might make it like a 5-story.
You can, yeah, I can give you even like a 30-day trial, like if you want, because we do like a 14-day trial, you get 30 renderings, but we do that because we get a lot of trial reviews, where people like just review 0126 at Gmail, you know, and then kind of a person abusing it, you know what I mean? They're trying, yeah, but if you're like a real business, you need like a 30-day, you are not a little bit. Right now, there's one
Cool.
I'm
Hey.
here with Daniel from Diffusion Architecture.
Hey, Daniel.
We are on a live stream. Do you want to say hi to the
Yeah,
audience?
hey, live stream, everybody. How's it going? Good to see you guys.
Cool.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by the booth. We're doing some rendering, actually using diffusion-based models, and so we're
Yeah.
doing some AI rendering. We brought the SnapTrue guys' models over, and we uploaded an image to the web-based version, and we're just doing a few renderings. And so I don't know how well it would pick up on the camera, but some of these renderings I think turned out pretty good. These are some of the exterior ones. And so we tried a few different things where we had like the geometry override kind of low, and then a few where it's like up a bit higher. And then we've also been firing off some interior renderings here as well. So these are some of the interior shots. And you can kind of see this is, you know, what we fed the AI engine,
Yeah.
and then that's kind of the after what it develops. So
Cool.
that's something that we're working on.
And this is a plugin, or this is like running on the web?
This one right now is running on the web, but
Yeah.
there's it's the same tool plugged into Revit, Rhino, SketchUp, Autodesk Forma, which is related to Vectorworks, and so it plugs into a lot of design authoring programs.
Yeah.
But then this one that I'm using right now is the same program, but I'm using it in the web, so you can take an image and upload it to the web version as well if you want to play with it there. So.
Cool. Very cool.
Yeah. Yeah. So if I go here, this is the original version right there. So that's what I fed the AI engine. And then if I hit it again, this is the finished tool. So you can kind of see the before and after of what I did there.
I think it'd be cool to see also the exterior of the building that you showed us earlier.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the exterior of the building here. And I can try to see if I can pull up the image really quick that we got it from. Let's see. Sorry. That's just trying to get to you. So this is what we fed it here for the exterior, and this was the results. So you go from that to that.
Oh, awesome. Cool.
With that is helpful. See some of the results.
And this, you can, where do you find this? You can just go to Veras.
Yeah, so
Right,
if you
.com.
go to the website, you can just Google Veras Evolve Lab.
Yeah.
It'll be right there. And then you can either download it for all of these different design tools, SketchUp, Revit, Rhino, Forma, Vectorworks, or if you launch it in the web, like I just did, you can
Yeah.
go to the web, and then you can upload, an image that you want to start using, like that, and then you can start, rendering some results from that image. So that's how it works. It takes about 15 seconds per image, depending on how good your internet is and how many people are using it. But it's using an image in the web. So even if you don't have a design tool like Revit, Rhino, or SketchUp, you can just use an image as well, and then get these kinds of results here as well.
Cool. Very cool.
Yep.
Thank you, Bill.
Yeah. Thanks for coming by. It's good stuff.
And this is the name, Evolve Lab. Veras. Okay, cool.
You can take
What to next?
the other way around, and then I think that will
That would conclude. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So we have a basic
Yeah.
seeing some of the detailing here.
Can you see the detail here? I don't know if you can see it, but it's cool. Oh, this pig is pretty cool though. Where's this building?
Oh, this is Robinson Road in Singapore. It was a building that
Singapore.
we also designed.
Oh.
That's where our Singapore office is.
Yeah.
So for those of you who don't know, we have offices in New York, London, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Shanghai, Seoul, Berlin, Singapore, San Francisco.
Nice. It's all over the place. But it's a pretty cool building.
Yeah.
Yeah.